Part 26. We took the opening. The break didn't last long, but it was enough. The sections we forced open stayed unstable, just long enough to move through. That was all we needed. If we waited, it would close again. If we moved, we had a chance to get deeper before it reset. I pushed forward without stopping. The others followed. No one hesitated. We stayed tight, moving through the unstable ground while it was still shifting. Every step had to be placed. Some sections held, others slipped, but the path was open enough to keep going. The fast ones came in again, but they weren't holding distance anymore. They were trying to stop us from reaching the next layer. That confirmed it. We were moving into something it didn't want us to reach. We dropped them as they closed. No wasted shots, no chasing, just enough to keep moving forward. The space around us was less controlled now, not open, but not locked either. It was trying to regain control behind us instead of ahead of us. That gave us momentum. The deeper we went, the more the ground changed. Less shifting sand, more solid structure. It held underfoot, but it didn't feel natural. It felt placed, like we were moving into something built instead of something broken. The space opened slightly, just enough to see further ahead. Shapes were forming again, but not rising like the constructs above. These were already in place, set into the ground, connected to it. Not moving yet, waiting. I slowed just enough to take it in, not stopping, just enough to adjust. This wasn't another line to break. This was where it was holding everything together. The fast ones stopped pushing from the front. They shifted behind us instead, trying to close the path we came through. That was the second confirmation. We weren't meant to get this far. I keyed the mic and pushed the update through. We were inside something deeper, not surface level, not temporary. This was a fixed layer. The response came back weak, but others were reporting the same thing. We weren't alone down here. That mattered. I moved forward again. No hesitation. If we slowed, it would reset around us. If we kept moving, we stayed ahead of it. The first of the new shapes activated as we closed distance. Not fast, not aggressive. Just movement. Controlled. Direct. I fired to test it. The rounds hit and held. Not like before. There was impact. Not enough to stop it, but enough to confirm it wasn't the same as the one we faced earlier. That changed the approach. We spread slightly, just enough to avoid getting locked in one line. Still close, still controlled. It moved toward us, but not alone. More of them activated behind it, not rushing, not swarming, advancing. That was different. This wasn't a reaction. This was defense. We didn't stop. We pushed into it before it could fully set. The closer we got, the less control it had over the space around us. That part hadn't changed. I closed distance again and forced contact. The reaction came, but slower than before. It wasn't built for fast adjustment. That was the weakness. The others followed in no wasted movement, no hesitation. We forced it back, not far, but enough. That was all we needed. The space behind it shifted again, opening further into the structure below. Not wide, not clean, but open. I pulled forward and moved through before it could close. The others followed. We didn't clear it, we didn't destroy it. We got past it. That was the objective now, not to win the fight in front of us, to move deeper before it could stop us. I checked what I had left, still low, still not enough for a prolonged fight. Didn't matter, we weren't holding anymore. We were inside it now, and whatever was ahead was where this ended.